Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys lava phone guys display brightness setting. And today video title is guys how to turn on night light mode on lava mobile. Friends, you want to night light, friends you want to on your eyes protection mode setting on your lava mobile. So when how to and how to use in this video friends, we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Let's open your lava phone setting. After on lava phone setting, first you can see this type interface on your lava mobile. So friends, click on lava mobile display setting. After on display setting, friends you want to on dark mode. So right side friends you can on dark mode on your lava mobile, and left side friends we can off dark mode. Adaptive brightness setting is here. Friends, you want to increase your lava phone brightness, you can increase. You can on adaptive brightness. So friends, click on night light setting, and night light mode friends you want to on, so you can on. After on where your skin color will warm, friends you can see warm and cool color. Skin color temperature friends you can adjust. Left side and right side increase, left side decrease. And friends, you should on your night light mode at night when you operate your lava phone at night. So you should on night light mode. After on friends, you can look at on your screen easily and you can use. And friends, you can see timing switch setting. If you click here friends, you can set schedule time, start time. Friends, click here, set time, am pm, select time, and time guys, off time guys, automatic guys. Your night light mode will off. Friends, you can see sunset to sunrise friends you can set also. And direct friends you want to on, so you can on. And friends, you don't want to schedule, so click here off schedule and off it, and you can off from right side. So like that friends, you can on your night light mode setting on your lava mobile and you can turn off. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use night light mode setting on lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.